46 structural point last week, and it tried to make an attempt towards the 138.80. It was unable to reach it, but the moment it turned around below the 137.46 last week, guys, that is where we should have taken it short. And immediately, the moment it broke below the structural point of 137.46, you'd have had 200 pip move. And that, the one thing I want to say, because this question I've been getting it over and over and over and over again. Okay? Exactly, now you have a structural break, Alexander. The question, guys, whenever you're looking at a structural point, your decision is, above this I am going to be a buyer or I'm going to do nothing, below it I'm going to be a seller or do nothing. And that, again, you have to be sitting there looking at these numbers, identifying your opportunity, and the decision is made for you. The market has made that decision for you. I am below 137.46, short me, take me short, or do nothing. That's it. So right now, or I'm above the 137.46, buy me or do nothing. These are the only two options you have, and that's all what you have to do. If you cannot do that, then it's a problem. So right now we have a structural failure to the downside. We're looking for a push down. This here now is the 135.69. This is going to be our selling point. We're going to short it below 135.69. That is a weak close. We'll be looking for a continuation to the downside, and I wanted to trade below the 135.69, and I will be placing my stop above that 135.69, and I wanted to go down. The next move to the downside, if it breaks below that point, it should be going towards the 134.46. Okay, so right now I do not want to do anything. My bias is to the downside. I want to take it short. My short entry is going to be below the 135.69, just 15 pips from what it's at right now. I do not have any buy signal. My buy signal is going to be right above the 136.10. So I'm looking again for a further continuation to the downside, and you can see now the big reversal that took place after the unemployment. This thing is fiercely to the downside. The euro has just capitulated. It's making, again, this is a picture perfect trending chart, and you should be looking at taking it again continuously to the short side until we have any reason to go long. But at this time we don't have any reason to be long the euro. So with that, let's put the, I'm going to short it below 135.69. It's again okay. And if I go short below one, and you look at this here, this is the same momentum low, 135.70. So it's just perfect. So I'm going to take it short. Let me put this. I think this is easier for you to understand what I'm saying. I'll put this. I think people like me to do that. So we're going to go short right there. Now you know what I'm talking about. At least the picture gets clearer. This is where I'm going to go short below 135.60, and if I short it right there, I'm going to place my stop right there. I'm going to place my stop over here. So I'm using about a 25 pip stop. It's a tight stop. I have no reason to be a buyer of the euro. I have no structure, I have nothing here that indicates any move to the upside as a selling point. The only thing I can do is I'm going to place my buy right above this is where I'm going to be buying it, and if I do buy it up there, I'm looking for it to go towards the 137.46, and I'm going to place my stop right below the 136.71. so this is my stop, is going to be here. Okay, so let's put these. I'm going to go short below 135.60, and if I'm short, I'm going to put my stop above 136.10. I will go long above I will buy it above 137, 1.37. that will be my buy signal. And if I do buy it above 137, I'm placing my stop $137 is too high. I don't like that buy. $136.78 is a better buy. So our buy is going to be here, 136.78. that's going to be the buy. This is going to be our buy signal, and if I buy it here, I'm placing my stop below 136.09, so I'm using about 60 pip stop on that. My structure long to the upside is the 137.46, and my structure short are still the same, the 134.44. Okay, that is the euro dollar. I'm going to read it for you. We're going to be buyers above the 136.78, and if we do buy it, we're going to place our stop below the 136.10. My structure long to the upside is the 137. Nicholas, I said please wait until I'm done. No, not a problem. It's just I lose my track of thought, that's all. Alright, let's do it again. We're going to be buying above 136.78, and if we do, we're going to place our stop below 136.10, so we're risking about 60 pips on that trade. Our bias is still to the downside. We have a major sell signal. The trend is to the downside, so we really want to be sellers of that. So we are going to be shorting it primarily below 135.60, and if we do short it below 135.60, my stop on the short side is going to be above 136.10. My structure short of downside is the 134.46, and my structure long is the 137.46. Okay, that is the euro.